Hi guys, welcome to Shami's Kitchen. First of all, I wish all mothers a very happy Mother's Day. Here you go, mothers. Today I'm gonna make Paneer Jamun. This is one sweet that I always crave for whenever we go to India. Check out the ingredients and let's get started. We will wait until the milk boils. The milk has come to a boil. Reduce the flame and add lemon juice. Now add lemon juice. Now stir it. Keep doing this until we get paneer. Now add lemon juice again. Stir it. Add 1 more spoon of lemon juice. Stir it. Lemon juice. Now, do you see the paneer coming out from the milk? Goodbye to the lemon juice. We got our paneer. We got our paneer, so it's time to switch off the stove. Our paneer is ready. Now let's pour our mixture into the white cloth. Wash the paneer until you get the lemon taste removed. I'm done washing the paneer. Squeeze it, then hang it for half an hour. The paneer has been hanging for half an hour. The water has been drained completely. Knead the paneer for at least 10 minutes so it is soft. Otherwise, when we cook the jamun, it will become very soggy. Now let's knead the paneer. This is how you knead the paneer. I'm done kneading it for 10 minutes. Look how soft it is. Now I'm gonna put the food color on it. Oh yeah, I also got pink food coloring. And now knead it again. The color got really mixed with the paneer. Now let's take them to batches. And roll them 2 cylinders. See? And do the same for the rest of the paneer. Now let's make our sugar syrup. Add sugar in water. Let's wait for it to boil. The sugar syrup is now boiling. I'm going to add the paneer inside it. And let it cook for 10 minutes in medium flame. Add 2 drops of rose essence. Now add the paneer. Now close it and wait for 10 minutes. Our jamun is ready. Now I'm going to taste it and try it out. It is so juicy and sweet. You guys also try this recipe and surprise your moms. Happy Mother's Day. Bye.